Lucky, look at the camera. Snack. We're going to the water park. Hooray! Hooray! Wow, Zach, we're here. You're gonna see the slides. Yes, wow. Let's go. Come on, Zach. Palawan Water Park.
Tignan mo, mag-hype mo.
Layo pa siya dyan. Lipit pa lang siya.
Bakain mo yan ang tawag.
Yes. Wave, Zach, wave. Look at the camera, wave. Yay! Here, oh. Yay! Tingit pa naman ito, kuya. Wala ka pang bata. Wala ako. Itero taon ako eh. Pwede natin kami sa kanila. Pwede?
Ayun o, narinig mo, mine.
Mine daw, mine. Bigyan mo na kuya isa. Wala po. Isa. Ganun. Well, that, oh, a car. Wow! Come here.
Wow!
Look, Zach. Water park. Wow! Hey guys, we're in Palawan Water Park. Picture tayo. Tingnan. Rita. Jack, look at the camera. Again. 1, 2, 3, snap. 1, 2, 3, snap. Ito niya na dun eh. Come on, Jack.
Look, there's a walrus. Ay, Wow, a whale. Lots of bells is here. And a happy. So. It's one too. Right now. You wanna walk? And there's a pool, a big pool. Wow. Wow. Oh, let's go. Let's go inside. Jack's gonna play inside. Wow, Jack, look, oh, there's a mini slide. Wow, with an octopus. Wow. Wow, one, two, three. Dito. 1, 2, 3, snap. Oh, come on, Jack. Let's play here. Come on. Wow, look, oh, it's a tortoise. A tortoise. An alligator. Wow. Wow. Yay. A sea turtle. Wow, that one has a stronger water, oh? Wanna go there? Let's go there. Oh, let's go there. Let's go there to the water. Wow, it's a sea turtle. Wow. Yay! You want to ride the turtle? You want to ride it? How about that one, the big whale? Look, that here, oh, a starfish. Starfish. Yes, a starfish. Look at the starfish. Come on. Let's go to the starfish. A starfish. Starfish. Wow. Yay. What's the color of the starfish? The yellow starfish. Wow. Look at the blue starfish. It's like water. Whoa. And that one, oh? That's a starfish. I want that one. Okay. Come on. Yes, a starfish. And this one, oh, has water. Whoa! Oh, come on, to the jellyfish. To the giant jellyfish. Come on.
Come on, let's hide from the water. Mommy will hold you.
Come on, hide from the water under the jellyfish. Yes. Sea turtle. Wow. Jack, look, oh, Daddy's hiding under. Wow. Yay. A jellyfish. It's a giant jellyfish.
Look at the whale. It's so big.
Wow. Sea turtle. A sea turtle.
No, don't ever move. Don't ever move. It's okay. Don't ever no, no, don't move. No, that's only for big kids. Come on, let's go. It's okay. That's a swimming slipper so that it will not get dirty. Which one do you want? Ah, there. Okay, come on, there. Okay. Ayaw mo dito? Muna? Ano? Where? This one? Wow, like a bee. Oh, sige kuya, nandiyan. Like a bee. Yeah. Wow.
Ang lamig!
Kaya nilagyan yung oil eh. Nice! Tinanggal, Daddy! Tinanggal niya yung patong doon sa... Wow! Wow! Oho!
Nalimutan natin yung life vest.
Ayaw naman. May life vest dyan nung maliit. Ayun. Mas gusto niya dito kaysa doon. Do you want to swim? Do you want to slide?
You want to watch Daddy slide? Daddy will slide.
Daddy and Mommy will slide. It's missing what?
Takas. Ay. Ay, takas kami, takas, sabon. Ayun, Dad. Ang bantot. We're gonna go.
Ate, Adel pa?
Hi, Mami.
Mga umate. Wala lang yan. Mas maliit pa to sa splash. Saan kayo mag-try at hindi? Wait lang. Okay na yan yung sa kulbe?
Okay.
Siko nyo po lagi nasa loob.
Yup.
Tapos atakin nyo po yung mat, sir, ma'am. Parang ako itaas nyo po para po hindi kayo susubsob.
Ah, okay.
Ready?
Set.
1, 2, 3, 2, lock roll.
Ay, wait lang tayo.
Okay, na. Wait!
Ang sarap na magkala ka taas. Daddy, ano po tayo?
Sakit ko sa ilong ko. Jackie! Hi! Hi! Jackie! You wanna ride here? Ride! Ride the boat! Yay! Oh no! Yan! Yay! Yay! Jack's gliding! Woo! Woohoo! Jack gliding in the water. Woohoo! So fast! Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, you hold, huh? Hold. Daddy's gonna run. Oh, you hold, huh? Woohoo! Ayun na, lulubog ka na, boy. Lulubog ka na. Joke lang. Ikaw naman. Hold. Hold lang, hold. Dito lang.
Para ano, meron kayo dito behind the scene.
Saan natin kukunin yung camera?
Paano ko? Bababa si Kuya. Unang slide siya mag-in.
I'm sure aakyat pa kayo.
Kukunin niya.
Sige ma'am, forward ka naman. Okay, tapos ito ano po.
Ate, sayang yung pwesto.
Hindi ma'am, parang yun ka.
Ganyan?
Straight lang yung lips mo. Ma'am, hawak kayo dito mamaya. Sige, forward na tayo naman.
Eh,
Wait lang po, mag-ipo na tayo ng tubig.
Ayaw na tumatas na. Bye, Dad!
Okay, ma'am, balance ha.
Yes! Bye! Woo! Oh, yeah! Woo! Dal-dal man ng boy? Octopus?
Octopus. That's an octopus.
Hindi na yung Hindi pa pwede dito.
Mas gusto niya dito eh.
Mas gusto niya dito.
Oo. Let's go. Ayan. Ay, si Daddy. Look, Daddy. Oh, Daddy.
There, yung sa slide na maliit. Ang pupuntahan mo na namin sa
Swimming pool na daw, mama. Yes, wait pool. Alam mo yung kumami sa camera? Dapat at this speed.
See? So, there's the octopus, and the fish, and the starfish.
So many animals.
Vulgar yung water dito.
Wow! A seahorse, Zach. A seahorse.
Wanna try the slide? Wow, there's a sea lion here. Jacko! You can sit down! Jacko! Malamig eh. Patawid sa Wow! Sea lion!
Wow!
Do you want to try the blue or the red slide?
Jack, look here, oh. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go!
Jack, there's a swing. Jack,
Look, there's a swing.
you want Daddy will show you the swing.
Pag doon, yung walang gumaganon, doon sa kabila walang
Dito.
masyadong malaki yan. Yun yung pula sa likod. Walang nag-sprinkle. Kaya tapos
Kasi malayo yung lakad. Dito malapit lang.
pero kasi dal. Tataas lang tayo.
Okay. Oh, come on.
Kasi ayaw niya na may sprinkle.
Oh, come on, Jack. We're gonna slide. Wala na. Diyan na kayo. Hanggang mamaya na kayo dyan. Ay, tuwa naman, no?
Gumagalaw ba? Paggalawin mo nga na.
No, it's mounted on the floor.
Huwag niya sa blue, Daddy.
Seahorse. Kaya dito lang ako na. Dito sa Facebook.
Ayaw niya kasi na sprinkle eh. Doon sa red Bakit walang sumunod ang gadget?
Hindi naman pala slide kami. Sige.
Wow, this one.
Ah, this one.
Dito lang, dito lang ilagay.
Malalim yung ano?
Yung pula na lang. Yung pula na lang, yung pula.
Wow! 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 Daddy on this one, oh. Jack and Daddy on seahorse. Wow! Look, oh. Very good one. Woo! Jackie! Jackie, look here. Jackie, look here. 1, 2, 3, snap! Seahorse! Roar! A seahorse! Nilalamig na?
Hindi mo kahit may oil pa ha.
Malay ako, nilalamig eh. Ayaw din naman niya mag-slide eh.
Oo, mas doon. Let's go!
Jack playing in the wave pool. Wow! Grabe, nanginginig sa rumba. Ang lamig ng tubig. Si Manit ang pool. Oh, dito po rin siya. Tapos na. Ano timer?
Yung naman eh, hindi na mo wave eh.
Nakapulot kami mo.
May ganyan tayo sa ano, bakit nga ba hindi na nga?
Nabulot. Pakiti po, ito ko nalutang-lutang mo.
Masitirisin ka mamaya.
Ngayon lang to ba? Ngayon lang to?
Ay, wala na ito.
Mag-stay ka lang, baka lumayan ka. May tubig ako sa bag.
Ang nasa, ano, ang nasirisin ko na. Wow!
Basta yung ulit ko eh.
Ano na eh? Ginawa ko.
Ano na, sige. Fight the wave! Oh no! Fight it! Fight it! Ikot pa na siya matututo. Sa mapa ko. Meron na ano sa rin. Ito dapat nakakanan ito. Hindi na yung kailangan naman.
Nakakatulong po pagkakagaya na ito.
Fight the wave! Fight the wave! Fight the wave, boy! Look at Nino! Oh, Nino is fighting the wave, boy! Oh no! Cover the mouth, close the mouth. Lulok mo. Lulok ko guys.
Close mo yung mouth mo lang. Close your mouth.
Close the mouth lang.
Gusto niya nakaupo.
Surfboard na. Nag-surfing na. Surfing na.
Wow.
Wow, surfing. Wow, surfing.
Pagkain nyo. Sabi yung live na.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh no! Oh no! Yan. Yeah, very good. Opo. Social move. Kaya may naman kasi yung ano? No, standing up.
Ilalag ko ba?
Yeah.
Let's have a look there, oh. 1, 2, 3, snap! Araw naman.
Yeah.
Makangiti. Dito sa kabila. Look there. Look at the camera, Zach. 1, 2, 3, snap! Come on, come on, you go with daddy, come on, come on. Hey, yo. Look at the starfish, the blue one. It's cold? Oh no, it's not cold. Cold, so cold na. Wow. It's raining. Oh no. Sprinkler. Oh, you hold the sprinkler. Wow. Oh, there's the sea lion. There. So cold now. So cold na?
Like this.
Cold. And let's go na. Are you cold na? You gonna go na? Let's go na? There? Let's get the humans. Go there. To the doodle one. Wow! Look, oh! It's the sea lion! Wow, it's so big! Wow! There we go. There we go. Come on. Wow! A giant clam! Look, Zach, a giant clam!
Look! So fun.
Oh, the giant clam is getting full, Zach! Woo!